was the most beautiful little girl he had ever seen. From the top of his pomegranate tree, I do not give in, she said. There is no pain you can inflict that I cannot endure. You have to tell me, is she joking? I'm amazed. She doesn't recognize me. Right then I fall in love with the symmetries of our respective jealousies and hurts. The turbulent yin for yang, the eye for an eye, the world descending into a chaotic balance. While everyone was eating, I stole back into the parlor and went up to the casket, lifted the lid and looked in. She was black like me, a mixed girl, and she was watching me from behind the dirty glass. For a second I thought I was somewhere familiar, and she was a girl I already knew. I began to lift my hand, but I stopped remembering where I was and what I'd already found. Then the bus lurched forward, and the face was gone with it, just a blur of yellow and black emotion. A garnish of the green serrated leaves will set off the gold curves of caramelized apples beautifully. Are there really flags in Chinatown signaling what stowaways have arrived in San Francisco Bay? Their names and which ships they come on. Mother, I heard some kids say there are flags like that. Are there? What colors are they? Which buildings do they fly on? No, there aren't any flags like that. They're just talking story. You're always believing talking story. He's an Indian from Oklahoma. I lied. A blonde Indian. They all laughed. Yes, I shouted. An albino Indian. He had asked me to come over after school to study for an American history test with him. But Lynn continually reminded him of his heritage, read in books about Indians in the womb and crib, gave him Indian books to read when he could finally do it himself. Got their own fry bread cooking in the oven. Got a whole lot of feathers in their war bonnets. Samuel said as he walked into the motel. A lark saw a little girl who he thought was the most beautiful little girl he had ever seen from the top of his pomegranate tree. I do not give in, I do not give in, I do not give in, she said. There's no pain you can inflict that I cannot endure. I do not give in, she said. I do not give in. There's no pain you can inflict that I cannot endure. A garnish, a garnish of the green serrated leaves will set off the gold curves of caramelized doves beautifully. Are there really flags in Chinatown signaling what stowaways they have found? Are there really flags in Chinatown signaling what they found? Are there really flags in Chinatown signaling what they have found? We came to this land as Indians on continents unknown, undiscovered. Bone marrow deep is my old home, but with me I bring living blood. I have come here to build really flags in Chinatown, signaling what we found. Black like me, white like me, yellow, red, and in between. Red like me, brown like me. Are there flags flying, signaling what stowaways they have found? Come over with me, hide with me. Take this bus, come with me. After school I will teach you history. History, make history with me. Come with me, hide with me, run with me, on a bus, go with me. Come to my home after school, I will teach history. We can make history. While everyone is wondering, we know we do not give in easily. A lark saw a little girl, a little boy. Come with me, run with me, go with me on a bus. We will flee, we, you, me, you come with me to my house. I will teach you. Are there really flags in Chinatown? Oh, 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 oh. How do you sing? Teach me how you sing. I have brought you my crib, my books, my womb, my knowledge, my heritage. But my heart, where is my heart? A lark saw a little girl who he thought was the most beautiful girl he had ever seen. From the top of his pomegranate tree, he's dropped the girl off so she could collect her heart. And he never saw her